I need you to be smooth. Oh my gosh, why is this tangled? Why is this tangled? Ooh, do you see this? Like, do you see this? Hello beautiful people, welcome back to my channel, Samantha Pollack. Thank you for watching again. If you're not a family member, you can be one by subscribing, join the family, join the team. Today I want to show you this big fluffy twist out. Okay. So yeah, today's tutorial is, can you guess? In today's video I'm gonna show you how to achieve this chunky flat twist out. This video is in partnership with Camille Rose. I'm gonna test the leave-in collection and give you guys my opinion about this collection. As usual, I always start with freshly washed hair. So my hair dries pretty quick, and I have to say that I did some cooking before I did my tutorial, you know. Yeah. So I'm gonna start with my side part, and I love my zigzag side part. You already know. What is this? Oh my gosh, why is this tangled? Okay, again. So my hair grew a lot. Look at my gray. The last time I colored my hair was in February. If you follow me on Instagram, you should already know that I'm not gonna color my hair anymore, at least for now. And it doesn't matter if the parts are straight or not. Obviously, I'm saying this because I can see the back, okay? I'm gonna spritz my hair a little bit with water because my hair is now, I think, 80% dry and I need that moisture, okay? Don't overdo it. Don't use too much water or products because that will make it difficult to flat twist. Okay. Ooh, it smells sweet. Okay, it definitely smells like honey. Wow, it's sticky. Oh my gosh, it's warm. Whoa, it heats up. Okay, let me see. So on the hands it's a little bit sticky, but when applying it on the hair it melts. Oh, of course. The honey leave-in is definitely thicker than the latte define. I've been watching other reviews on this collection and people be saying that you don't need that much product. I did one twist with a dime size amount and my hair needs more product, okay? My hair needs to be... So what I'm not gonna do on the rest of my hair is using dime size amount because that doesn't work on my hair. So I want to test something. I'm gonna use the latte first and then the honey. Is this too much? Is this too much? Probably. is too much. Yeah, this combination works best for me. So the latte, honey, and then oil. And the latte makes your hair so soft. This one is definitely a must try. Do you hear this? Just a little bit of the honey on my hair. And I'm also gonna use a bobby pin to secure the twist a little bit. As you see, my twists are a little bit loose, so the latte makes your hair feel soft, but the honey feels like a detangler. My twists are shiny. I'm gonna let these air dry and take them out tomorrow morning. This is the next day and I'm gonna unravel my twist. I hope this will be great. My twists are a little bit damped, so I need to sit under the hooded dryer for 5 or 10 minutes. So I'm back. My hair is 100% dry and now I'm gonna use the oil and unravel my twist. Ooh. So of course this is not where I'm gonna leave it. I need my hair pick. Hair pick is alive. Okay, it's kind of flat here. I don't know if I want my hair to fall on this side. Yes, I think I love the deeper side part more than here in the middle. Gives me more volume on this side. Yep, I think I'm done picking. Are you sure? I don't know. I think I'm done with picking. So this is the result. My favorite of this collection is the Honey Hydrate. It's a must-have. This is a little bit thin and I'm using this as a styler. I feel like I can use a combination of these two to get the perfect twist out. On my hair, these two alone would not work. I have a lot of hair and my hair needs a thick leave-in conditioner, and these two are bomb. They don't give you much instructions. I'm someone who's gonna use the products first and then read the instructions. So if you're someone who needs instructions, I'm here. I'm here to help. Watch my videos. That's why I'm here. I have low porosity hair, so my hair doesn't love thick oils. And that's why this one is perfect, because this, like, look at it. Do I need to say more? Like, do I need to say more? I hope you enjoyed this video and learned something new. If you enjoy watching me on your screen, make sure you join the family, join the team, and subscribe. And let me know in the comments, have you ever tried the Camille Rose Leave In collection, and what do you think of my results? I will see you in my next video. Bye!